Well, what do we have here? You must be a new arrival. Let me guess. Fate of the undead, right? Well, you're not the first. But there's no salvation here. You'd have done better to rot in the undead asylum. But too late now. Well, since you're here, let me help you out. There are, actually, 2 bells of awakening. One's up above in the undead church. The other is far, far below, in the ruins at the base of Blight Town. Ring them both, and something happened. Brilliant, right? Not much to go on. But I have a feeling that won't stop you. So, off you go. It is why you came, isn't it? To this accursed land of the undead?
I don't like him. Some more humanity. I'm gonna have to learn what everything does. And fast. Right, so there's one up above and one far down below. Right, well, looks like we're going up. Gesture. Ooh.
Hello there. I believe we are not acquainted. I am Petrus of Thoroland. Have you business with us? If not, I'd prefer to keep a distance, if possible.
Where do I go from here? Can I hit this? Yep, look it. I bet I've missed a load of stuff, haven't I? Ooh. Soul of the Lost Undead. Huh. Where do I go now? I've gone the wrong way. Right. Right down we go then. Oh, smash some pots. Yeah, lunge. Have a look at my equipment. No, we're fine. Where else can I go? That did seem like the right way. Ah, there we go. From the side of the mountain. Look. Well, it doesn't seem too bad at the moment. I guess the enemies will get harder the further into the game I go. Yeah, stab. Cool. Someone's chucking fire at me. Run. Oh, it's you. Oh, you're easy enough. Soul of the Lost Undead. Run. These knights are slow. Run. Missed. Come on then. Should be able to kick you off, shouldn't they? Slice. Nice one. Like it. Right. It's like it can only pillage ones that are already dead. Yeah, like that. Right. Let's find out. Soul of the Lost Undead. regain some health just in case. Ooh, big rat. Big rat. Ooh. Ah! Right then. Don't think I made it this far last time actually. No, I don't think I even got past that asylum demon. Does not open from this side. Right. Right, I really do enjoy this though. What's up here? Whoa, that's more enemies. Stab. Not so bad as a knight. So last time as a mage and stuff, I couldn't do anything whatsoever. Just didn't have the strength. Plus I didn't have the skill. Yep, walk over the bucket. Oof, fire. Ooh, that was lucky. I'd have missed you then. Any more for any more? Right, you can destroy my roll, don't you? Yeah. So. Yeah. Because I'm fat. Oh, nothing. Or have I missed something? Am I being dumb? Am I missing something? Nope. Time to go and traverse the light. Yeah, definitely need some more stamina on him. Read message. Drake ahead. Drake ahead? Oh, good lord. Oh, fantastic. Praise the sun. In that a gesture. Is it? Hold on. Where's praise the sun? Oh, I don't have it. Huh, okay. I will beckon. Resignation ahead. I'm sure I resigned before this. Oh no, you can pillage some of them. Oh, warrior helm. Oh. I'm gonna come and get you. You're really annoying me now. Come on, shoot again. Thank you. Oh, we'll go again. Right. Okay. Read message. Master. Huh. I take it these are people that have actually done it before. Ooh, fire. Don't know why I'd sound like a monkey then, but ooh. Oh, finally. Bonfire lit. Right. I have enough to level up? Have enough for that. Acquired souls. Strength. 14. Endurance. Attunement. Vitality. I get some more health. Could help in the long run. Resistance. Oh, that puts my physical defense up quite a bit. Dexterity. Yeah, I think I'll go. Oh, I don't know. Yeah, resistance. I accept. Right. There we go. Who are you? Is that me? Yeah. Right, I think I'm going to make that point to part 2, the end of. I'm going to do it bonfire to bonfire. So don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you again in the next part, Dark Souls.